If you came out of a meeting or you weren't able to attend a meeting, no worries, your Copilot 2 can actually read the transcript of what was said in the meeting and tell you exactly what people committed to doing inside of that meeting. Let me show you a prompt. Over here, we're going to go into the work tab inside of our Copilot, and we're going to go ahead and click on the add content over here. We're going to add content. I'm going to be ground into a specific meeting. So I'm going to select that meeting, ensuring that the recording and transcript of that meeting exists. And then I'm going to paste this prompt over here. The prompt says, review this meeting transcript and extract all decisions and action items. I'm giving it exactly what I want to extract from the meeting, being very specific: person responsible, action item, expected outcome, deadline, priority. And I'm saying put it into a table, all right? I'm also saying that it should use fictional names just so I can keep the privacy of this meeting, all right? I'm gonna go ahead and send that in. My Copilot tool is gonna be able to go ahead and give me a table of exactly what was committed to inside of that meeting, giving me the table of who's responsible. So gone are the days in which I have to go ahead and reach out to those people again to say, hey, what did you say you were going to do in that meeting? Well, over here, I have person responsible, action item, expected outcome, deadline, timeline, and prioritization. I can now prioritize who I should be reaching out to based on all these specific outputs here. For example, Alex Morgan shared the proposed Copilot training approach, expected outcome, leadership awareness, and approval to proceed. All right. And the deadline was before the next internal leadership meeting. So if you're somebody holding people accountable for the work that they need to do based on the commitments in the meeting, this is a great prompt for you to leverage in your everyday workflow.